The 2025 Range Rover SV stands as the ultimate symbol of prestige and bespoke luxury combined with raw performance and cutting-edge technology. As the flagship model in the Range Rover lineup, the SV, short for special vehicle, is designed for those who seek more than just a premium SUV. It offers a handcrafted experience both inside and out, delivering not just transportation but a statement of status, comfort, and engineering perfection. Every detail of the 2025 Range Rover SV has been meticulously engineered to provide an elevated driving experience. From its striking design to its dynamic driving capabilities, the SV is the epitome of modern automotive craftsmanship. At first glance, the 2025 SV reveals an exterior design that is both elegant and dominant. Its commanding stance is enhanced with a more aggressive front grille, signature pixel LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and refined lines that flow across its body like a piece of art in motion. Exclusive paint finishes, large alloy wheels ranging from 22 to 23 inches, and subtle SV badging mark its unique identity. The SV is available in both standard and long wheelbase versions, catering to those who desire more rear cabin space without compromising style or performance. The performance under the hood is just as impressive as its exterior. The 2025 SV features a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine that delivers up to 615 horsepower, depending on configuration. This allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, an astonishing feat for an SUV of its size and luxury class. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive system, the SV ensures power delivery is smooth, efficient, and adaptive to all driving conditions. Whether you're gliding through city streets or exploring rugged terrain, the SV remains composed and agile. The ride quality is enhanced by adaptive air suspension and active roll control, which work together to reduce body movement and improve cornering stability. Rear-wheel steering adds another layer of finesse, making tight turns and parking maneuvers surprisingly easy for such a large SUV. Multiple drive modes, including dynamic, comfort, and off-road, let the driver tailor the vehicle's behavior to their preference and environment. This level of versatility ensures the SV performs impeccably, whether cruising on a highway or navigating a rocky trail. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 SV is where craftsmanship and technology converge. Premium leather upholstery, real wood veneers, ceramic switchgear, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of sophistication and warmth. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class seating with recline functions, massage options, entertainment screens, and a refrigerator console, turning every journey into a first-class experience. Up front, the driver and co-driver are greeted with a high-resolution digital instrument cluster, a floating 13.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and haptic feedback controls that blend digital interaction with tactile satisfaction. The latest generation Pivi Pro infotainment system supports over-the-air updates and features integrated Amazon Alexa, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Meridian signature sound system with up to 35 speakers for an immersive audio experience. The SV also incorporates advanced noise cancellation technology embedded into the headrests, creating a silent, serene environment even at high speeds. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and optional rear seat tablets ensure passengers remain connected and entertained. Safety and driver assistance systems in the 2025 Range Rover SV are as comprehensive as its luxury appointments. It includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, a 360-degree surround camera, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keep assist, and autonomous emergency braking. For more relaxed driving, the SV comes with a semi-autonomous driving mode that supports the driver during long-distance highway travel by managing steering, acceleration, and braking. Sustainability also plays a significant role in the 2025 SV. Land Rover offers a plug-in hybrid variant that combines a petrol engine with an electric motor,